Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Cash App card. So what we are going to do is actually show you here on screen how to through this process to activate now. So you have to load it up the Cash App page and we are going to click on this little card icon. It's going to be the second one on the left hand side. So from this screen right over here, you can see it says card shipped 22 days ago. Did arrive like within 5 days or 7 days of ordering the card. So there is the word activate right over here. Once we click on there, it's gonna actually bring up a camera to scan the QR code that popped up on our actual card. So make sure you do not throw this away because the QR code is going to be on there to be able to activate it. I'm going to go ahead and click on activate it and scan QR code. Show you the next screen. There is a section that says missing the QR code. If you threw that away, so you can go through that step-by-step process of activating it even without the QR code. So it says cash card activated. A few things to keep in mind: withdraw cash anywhere, add it to Apple Pay, and then use your card anywhere. Obviously this one is going to be a Visa, so you can use it pretty much anywhere you want, as well as online like Amazon and other types of website. Now that you got your Cash App card activated, you can actually go ahead and sign up for direct deposit with your paychecks. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.